Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Byju's Exam Prep. So today I am here in front of you with an important notification from MOIL site. So first of all, I would like to tell you that these vacancy which I am going to show you, they are not through GATE score, they are from a computer based online test. So they are taking by their own computer based test. So let us see. So first of all, MOIL Limited, whenever we are talking about, you can see it is formerly known as Manganese Ore India Limited, and this is a mini Ratna category PSU. Okay, so let us move further. So first of all, the opening date for online registration of application is 1st March, then last date of submission is 21st March, and you can see detailed instructions are available on this website they have given. So this is the PDF I am going to show you. So you can see first of all the post and the requirement. Okay, so first the number of posts are related to mining. For mining you need to have BE or BTech with 60% in mining. Okay, then they are also saying during probation period the candidate has to submit copy of application submitted to DGMS along with valid gas testing and first aid certificate and 1 year experience in the company for obtaining second class mine manager certificate of company under MMR. This is for mining only. Okay, when we talk about mechanical, so here only BE BTech required in mechanical, 60% BTech percentage. Then for electrical and electronics and telecommunication, power engineering, they are eligible with 60%. Then for management trainee, geology, and then you can see for chemical, metallurgy, mining, mineral process, this is BE BTech, chemical is required. Okay, so metallurgy, if you are in BTech in metallurgy, BTech in chemical, then you will be eligible for these posts. Okay, now we will see for materials. So if you have graduated in any engineering discipline or equivalent from recognized university, you will be eligible for this material management trainee post. Okay, then contract management, this is graduate in any engineering discipline, you will be eligible with MBA in finance or materials. Okay, then you can see personnel, here also PG degree is required. So overall we have seen finance is there. Okay, then you can see survey is there. For survey you are going to be graduate. Okay, with 60%. This is actually the post is manager survey. Okay, so guys, now if you see this one is also having, if you are not this, then diploma in mining and mine survey are also eligible. So likewise different notifications details are there. So let us come to the point now that what is required. Okay, so when we are talking about the minimum qualifying marks which they are saying is 60%, they have mentioned that it is for general, for OBC, for EWS category. For SC ST it will reduce to 55%. Okay, then they are also saying about CGPA. On a 10-point scale, CGPA or GPA of 6 will be considered as 60%. Okay, so then you can see other things are also mentioned. For other things you can see for SC ST. For SC ST OBC category, candidate applying against general category post shall be considered on the general category merit and no relaxation will be given. If you are applying for general category seats, then there is no relaxation available. Okay, then guys, let us move to some important points, that is the number of vacancies. These are tentative, they can change. So if you see graduate training for mines, 13 vacancy are there. 5 for general, 2 for EWS, 2 for SC, 1 for ST, 3 for OBC. For mechanical 5 vacancies are there, 2 for general, 1 for EWS, 1 for ST and 1 for OBC. For electrical 4 vacancy, 2 for general, 1 for SC, 1 for ST. For geology, for 1 is there. For chemical 1 is there. For metallurgy 1 is there. For mineral 1 is there. For MT materials, where any branch student can apply, 5 vacancies are there, 4 for general, 1 for OBC. Okay, for contract management 1 is there. Okay, so you can see likewise. Now we are moving further. Now the selection process. So as I already told you, they are not taking from GATE, they are taking from a computer based online test. So they have mentioned that before applying, the candidate should ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria. Admission to CBT, computer based online test, will be purely provisional. Candidature will be subjected to verification of details and document. So when you are going to appear into CBOT, then maybe whatever the details you have filled, they may not be verified, but at the time of interview they will be verified for sure. So if you will be filling any wrong detail, your candidature can be cancelled. And they are also saying that at any stage, if you are found to have wrong information given, then your candidate will be cancelled. They have said that at any stage of recruitment process or appointment. Okay, application is to be submitted by a candidate only once, and against only one post you can apply. Okay, which means that a candidate can apply for any one post only. Okay, and then they are also saying about the test cities, where this test will be conducted. So this will be conducted in Bengaluru, New Delhi, NCR, Kolkata, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Thane, MMR region, Chennai, Hyderabad, Raipur, Bhopal, Nagpur. Okay, and you can opt 2 cities for the test. Okay, they are also saying that MOIL reserves the right to allocate any test city or change the city opted by the candidate. MOIL reserves the right to add or delete the city at the time. Based on if number of applicants are less for a city, then they can cancel that as well. Then CBOT will be of 90 minutes in one sitting, and considering constituting of objective type question like MCQ, 85 questions will be there. Okay, and out of 85, general knowledge for 10 marks, reasoning for 10 marks, general English for 10 marks, which will be combined as segment 1. Then subject knowledge will be for 55 marks. So 55 plus 30. And they are saying questions paper will be available both in Hindi and English. Okay, however, in case of error in Hindi version, the English version will be considered as valid and final. Then they are saying the minimum qualifying marks. So for general category, minimum you need to score 50%. So out of 85, if you are talking about, there are 2 sections. One is 55, other is 30. So out of 30, separately you have to score 15. Out of 55, similarly by 2 you have to score minimum. They have mentioned 50% marks in each segment. Similarly for SC/ST, 40% marks in each segment. They are required minimum. It is not clear that it is not that if you are getting 50% you will be selected for sure. No, this is the minimum requirement. Okay, after that, if there are such more number of students who qualify this criteria, then out of them, based on the scores, the number of students will be carry forward for interview. 85 marks are for written, 15 are for interview, total 100 marks. Okay, let us see. Candidates are required to appear in CBOT at their own expenses. If shortlisted in the CBOT as per the above criteria, they will be called for personal interview as per their merit in the ratio of 1:6. So like in mechanical, there are total 5 seats, so 30 candidates will be called. Okay, not more than that. So you can see number of seats are less there, but that we cannot say anything. So MOIL reserve all the right that you already know. Personal interview, they are saying list of candidates who are provisionally shortlisted for the interview will be updated on the website. It will be having 15 marks weightage. Okay, the final list of the selected candidates also will be on the website, and final pair will be prepared based on CBOT plus interview. Application fees, when we talk about for general category, for EWS, for OBC is 590, and for SC, ST, PWBD are exempted from the fees. Okay, then you can see the upper age limit. The age limit will be 30 years and will be counted on 21st March 2024, the last date to apply for graduate trainee and management. 35 years for the post of manager survey. Okay, relaxation will be 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC/ST. Then we can see PWBD candidates, these are the relaxation, they are same as per the government norms. Now we can see the reservation rule that are as per the government norm, so there is no change in that. Okay, they are same. Okay, for EWS also the same. And other details, they are saying selected candidates will be placed as graduate trainee or management trainee in E2 grade in the scale pay of 50,000 to 1,60,000 and basic pay of 50,000 plus extra perks you will be getting. And they are saying on successful and satisfactory completion of 1 year training period, regularization will be in E2 grade in the scale pay of 50,000 to 1,60,000. So 1 year training period is there. Okay, so initial basic of 50,000 on probation for 1 year as per the result, as per the rules of the company. For manager survey, post selected candidate will be placed in the scale of E2 grade of 50,000 to 1,60,000 on probation of 1 year. So they are mentioning that beside basic pay you will be getting other allowances as per the rule of the company. And then they are also writing about the posting. Candidate may be posted anywhere in company's mines. Okay, situated in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, or at any place. Then medical examination will be must before appointment. How to apply? Detailed guidelines are available. Application, registration, then payment of fees, then document scan and upload. Then you will be going for the important points to be noted before registration. They are what are requirement: photograph, signature. I will share this PDF on my Telegram channel where you can see this before applying. Okay. So all these things are same as that of in every application, that how to apply. Okay. Payment of fees is in online mode. Application is also in online mode. Nothing has to be sent offline. Okay. And they have also mentioned the guidelines for that. Must be recent. So photographs should be recent, that that. Background are also mentioned. Size of photograph is also mentioned. Okay. So all these things you have to see before applying. Okay. So it is a very big notification for 24 pages. Okay. So download for call letter. They have also mentioned here that candidate will have to visit MOIL website for downloading call letters for online test. And on this channel we are coming up with the videos as these things are coming. So you need to regularly check that. Okay. And they're also mentioning intimation for downloading the call letter will also be sent through email or SMS. Once candidate clicks the relevant link, he or she can access the window for the same. Okay. And then they are saying reporting late. After the reporting time specified on the call letter, examination will not be permitted. Okay. So you will not be permitted if you are late. Identity verification for that, voter card, license, Aadhaar card, these things are there. And they have also mentioned one thing: ration card and learner's driving license are not valid ID proof. So take care of these things. I feel every student who is going to apply will take care of these basic things. Okay. Then there are some other general instructions. They are nothing important. They are the same like how to appear in the written test and all. Okay. So all these things. Now other clauses. The possibility of occurrence of some problem in the administration of the examination cannot be ruled out completely, which may impact test delivery or result from beginning generated. In that relevant, every effort will be made to rectify such problem, which may include movement of candidate, delay in the test. So all these things they are saying कि if required these things can be done. कि हो सकता है आपको थोड़ा सा लेट भी होना पड़े, कभी कभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कभी एग्जामिनेशन सिटीज चेंज की जाए. So they have said candidates will not have any claim for a retest, because nowadays these things are coming again and again. Candidates not willing to move or not willing to participate in the delayed process of test delivery shall be summarily rejected from the process. Okay, so all these things they have mentioned, but I feel these things are not that important. Okay, so all other things are like that only. Okay. So I feel everybody have understood. So I will be sharing this PDF. Those who want to read it completely, you can do that. I will be sharing on my Telegram channel, that is Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. So yes, number of seats are less, but if you want you can apply, because these vacancies are other than GATE. So at least you have a chance ki if your GATE exam was not good, this can be an opportunity. So that's why I come up with this notification. So goodbye for this particular video. Stay tuned with us to get updated with all the vacancy details and also the mock interviews, the mock tests, every type of sessions we are having on this channel. Goodbye guys.